All right, guys, it's Tuesday, the 28th. We're looking at putting on topic sentences. So you're in writing. You should be here. If you're not, pause this and go there. You should be since you're at the video. Now, what you're going to want to do is go down and open up those shoes. I would pause it and I would open it up in a new window. Do you see how the new window popped up? Now go back to writing and click back to this. Do that. Pause the video and do that. Okay, second, go up to our unit on literary essays and open up your literary essay on those shoes. It should open a new tab. And now you're ready to go. So your literary essay should look like this, your thesis. In the book, Those Shoes, Jeremy goes from jealous in the beginning, conflicted in the middle, and empathetic in the end. If you change those words, cool. Just the jealous, conflicted, and empathetic, but that's where we're starting. So the first thing we're going to work on today is writing a topic sentence. So you're going to go here, right? Put your cursor here and hit enter. Now, if you didn't indent right here, then hit enter again so you have a space. If you did indent right here, you're going to hit tab so that you have an indent. Now you're ready to write your first topic sentence. So our first topic is that Jeremy is jealous in the beginning of the book. This is our first topic. Jeremy is jealous. So we're going to say Jeremy is jealous in the beginning of the text. Oops. Fix it. Okay, now who can tell me how many pieces of support do we need for this topic of Jeremy is jealous in the beginning of the text? Wait for it. 3 pieces of evidence, right? So what we need to do is we need to go to the text for that, and that's why we opened those shoes. So if I'm watching...
Black high tops, 2 white stripes.
Sorry, back it up a little bit.
I have dreams about those shoes. Black high tops, 2 white stripes.
Does this show jealousy? No, it just shows want.
Grandma, I want them. There's no room for want around here, just need, Grandma says. And what you need are new boots for winter. Brandon T. comes to school in those shoes. He says he's the fastest runner, not me. I was always the fastest before those shoes came along.
I wonder if this one shows jealousy. I feel like it does because he says, I was always the fastest runner before those shoes came along. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write, in the story, Jeremy's classmate has those shoes on. He says that he is now the fastest runner. This makes Jeremy jealous because he used to be the fastest runner before. Good gravy. Those shoes. I'm putting quotes around those shoes because it's kind of like the repeated phrase in the story. Now I would continue on finding 2 more pieces of evidence where Jeremy shows jealousy over those shoes. And the other thing I'm going to point out in here is transition words. Open that up and it's going to tell you many transition words that you can use. For example, for instance, as evidence, in this case. We'll talk about transition words in another lesson, but you might say next, like another example is when. So, topic sentence,